Check out how I made this fairy garden using Dollar Tree items I found. You might have seen in a previous video me making this potting bench. Well, as the time went on, I realized that I thought it would look really cool as a fairy garden. So when I saw these items that they sold at the Dollar Tree, I decided that I was going to go ahead and do it. After the previous rainstorm, it's collected some water at the bottom. So I'm just going to put some soil in it and just let it absorb the water.
With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets.
There is drainage here in this sink, but I think it's clogged up with some of the soil that was already in it. So I will, once this is done, poke a hole at the bottom, but I'm first going to need to get a saucer so that it collects the water through the bottom.
Found what we're looking for in life.
I first planted some thyme. I think it's going to do really well. It was ready to get out of this pot.
With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times.
Next, I planted these polka dot plants. A few weeks ago, my grandson and I had pruned some trees and used the twigs from those prunings to make fairy houses. However, we noticed that in the hot sun, the glue melted that we used to make them. So what I decided to do is take some of those branches and make a teepee. I'm adding a little bit of feed to the soil for the plants. I'm using some twine to tie the top of the teepees, just to keep them in their place.
It's like we're running in circles, going around every day, getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday. Don't you wanna go further away from the fray? Let's not get stuck in our worries.
On one side of the garden, I'm going to plant a little vegetable garden.
Where the sunflowers bloom, breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside.
Using some of my twigs, I decided to use them as a fence.
Just us in the sky. I will go wherever. I'll be yours forever. Are we part of this circus? Is it innate? Feels like a heavy burden
I weave the string in and out of the branches like a wattle fence would be.
Or is this a fate? At least now I'm feeling better. I know I'm here to stay. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air. Look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, it will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours
That's why you got these from the dollar store. Grandma, you should put that one too.
Oh yeah, go get it.
Look, see? You need a shovel. You need
Maybe he should be over here on this side where the vegetables are, and this guy could be inside
the house.
the house.
We have to.
Well, you know what? Let's put this one over here.
But first, we have to take out the house and then put it in.
No, I think we're okay there. Okay, I'll put the big garden gnome over here by the vegetables because he's got a shovel.
Oh yeah, he uses a gardener. Well, it's too big.
That's good. Oh, that's good. Perfect. Do you like it?
It looks
It's
awesome.
cool, huh? This was so much fun. I'm totally doing another one. I know why people get so obsessed with these little fairy villages, and this is going to be my first of many. As a matter of fact, my grandson and I are going to go to Dollar Tree and make one for him. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Hey, what's up guys? So I'm making a fairy garden like my grandma. So first of all, I'm gonna do the carrots. Like, subscribe. Where should I put the carrots? And put it anywhere. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it right here.
Maybe you should put the house down first.
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna put the house down now. And now I'm gonna get the lettuce. Guys, I'm gonna get the lettuce. I'm gonna put it like this. Now the carrots again. They're gonna go here. and right here, and these could be here to here.
That's awesome.
And this could be there. This one.
Getting stuck in the
And now
yesterday.
I think we need
Don't you
more
wanna
of
go
these
further
pebbles.
away from the
Right here.
fray?
Oh, forgot to put
Like it's
this up.
stuck in our worries. We'll make our own way. Won't you come outside?
And look, I found a dog.
Breathe in the air.
And the campfire should be.
Look up to the moon.
And the basket should be
Away from the
here.
crowd. Just you and me.
Basket should be here.
Just us in the sky. I will go wherever I'll be yours forever.
That was Hamilton.
And look, there could be a rock inside. Because like that could be like a rock collection.
Yep, that's a good idea.
And this almost could like be the pointer, and it could point to the school.
Very good.
And this is gonna be it. And don't forget to subscribe and like and put on notification. Bye guys. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and hit on that notification. Bye guys.
At least now I'm feeling better. I know I'm here to stay. Won't you come?